Hi, I'm going to pick another winner for the ice yarn. I had two winners. One contacted me and I sent the yarn out, but I still have yarn for one more winner. So I'm going to announce the winner through the random comment picker. If you hear your name, contact me with my email, which is listed down below. You can find this yarn on Amazon. It's right here. I will link that down below if you're interested in looking at this yarn. It comes in different colors. There's many different colors. I did a review and a giveaway on this one, so I had 4 skeins of yarn and picked 2 winners. And it's been a while because one claimed their prize, but then I'm still waiting, or I still have another winner that I have to choose because the other winner didn't claim their yarn. Okay, so let's see who the winner is. Marcia Thomas. Congratulations. Beautiful yarn. Love it. I would try make my first shawl with it. Love to win. All right, congratulations. Please contact me with my email down below with your information. I'll send this out as soon as possible. Thank you everybody for subscribing and watching my videos. I have some new tutorials that are out right now. A shawl that I just uploaded the video this week. And I have a couple of books on sale on Amazon. And if you're interested in Knit Crate, I have that. And then my Etsy store has some mugs if anybody's interested in any mugs with the Christmas holiday coming up. It's all listed down below. Thank you for watching and make sure you're a subscriber.